Hi, this is Paramita. So now here in this video, I'm going to show you how to write our runner class. Okay, to run the test case which we wrote in the Cucumber feature file. Here we are going to write how to run that test case. Okay, so we have done our feature file. We have done our smart definition .java file. Okay, and now we're going to write our runner class. Now for that I have created a package in source test java. I have created a new package called smart runner, and within that package I have created a new java class smart runner.java. So here in this class we are going to use some annotations. First we will use cucumber option. You can see in cucumber options we have passed two variables actually. uh, these are the must. You have to give this information. Like, one variable is features. Within this features variable we have mentioned the path of our feature file. The path of our feature file is like, we just mentioned the path of the feature folder actually, not the file. You can see my package is smart feature. Within that I have smart login dot feature. We can mention here smart login dot feature also, but in that case it will run only that feature file. But in reality what happens, under the same feature folder we get lots of like number of feature files. Okay, so in that case we prefer to mention just the part of the feature folder, not exactly the file. But if you want, you can mention the file, but in that case it will run only that specific file. Okay, so I am mentioning here the path of that feature folder where our feature file is existing. And just be careful, the path should be very specific, and lowercase, uppercase, everything you have to take care, otherwise it will not run properly, it will not be able to find the file. So to do that, you can do one thing. You can select the uh, folder, you can do right click, go to the property, you can get the exact path. Okay, so now I have already mentioned it, and this is another variable glue. Here I mentioned the path of our uh, smart definition folder. So path. Now here I don't need to mention the whole path because I have created these folders all under the same folder, source test java. So I'll just mention the smart definition folder name. That will be enough. Okay, and then I have used another annotation, junit annotation, run with. So to say the cucumber, that we will run this test case with cucumber.class. Okay, and as per that we have imported this here. So yeah, so if you yeah, so this is pretty much we are there. So this is a simple test runner. After that we will discuss a lot of other features also, what we can use here within the cucumber options. But now we are going to run this test case. Before running, what you will do in our smart definition.java, here I am to mention, within these methods actually real test cases will be written. Now Cucumber is a framework basically. With Cucumber framework we can use uh, any other automation tool like Selenium, APM, or whatever automation tool you are using. You can write the test cases using that automation tool, and you can include those test cases here actually within this method. Okay, so right now we are not including any exact test cases here, but just to see that it's running properly, what we are going to do, we'll give some Java code here to print something. System.out.println. This is just to see that this code has been executed. Okay, so here we will write hello 1. Now we will copy paste. Here we'll make it hello 2. When it will print this, we'll understand that the compiler went there and executed this. Hello 3, hello 4. So 4 steps are here actually. Okay, now we are here in our smart runner.java. Just right click, run as, and you can get the option junit. See, you can see here one test cases has run. User login, user logged in with valid username and password. This is our scenario. Okay, so it has been passed. Here in the console, you can see it has printed hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4. So that means all these 4 steps which we mentioned in our smart definition.java, they all have been executed. Now we can use another option in Cucumber options to see all those 4 levels here, in this JUnit window. You can see we can use after glue, we'll give a comma, and we can use step notifications. Step notifications equals true. Is showing error. Step notifications. Okay. Yeah. So there was some. I think I wrote some capital letters or something. So anyway, so step notifications equals true. If we mention these options within the Cucumber options, let's see how it happens. So we'll just save it, Control S, and right click, run as JUnit. See, here it's changed. It runs 4 out of 4. So it will show us now all the 4 steps here. User is on login page, user enters username and password, user landed on banking page, card is displayed. So it's like this, and here it will print. Yeah. Now we can do a lot of things here in the runner class. There are a lot of more options available. We can play with those, like you can control which test cases you are going to run, which cases you will not run, because in the login feature file, in reality there will be lots of scenarios. Okay, maybe some for regression testing, some for smoke testing. So you can play all those things within this Cucumber options, and you can generate different types of reports like HTML report, JSON report. So those things also, there are a lot of plugins. We can mention them within these our Cucumber options. Gradually I will discuss all those things in other videos. This was just a very simple uh, test case which we have created a feature file and step definitions and the runner. So but in my next video I will show you how to parameterize in Cucumber from feature file, step definition, and runner. Okay, so just see my next video, it will be more interesting. Thank you for watching. Bye.